Hey guys, today I'll be making Idli Manchurian. So here I have some leftover idlis from my morning breakfast. So first let's cut them into small pieces. Cut each idlis into 8 pieces. In a bowl, take equal quantities of maida and corn flour. So I'm taking around 3 spoons each. Add some chili powder, salt to taste, add water and make into a semi-thick batter. Add the idlis to the batter and coat them well. In a pan, take oil and fry the idlis in batches. Once the idlis are golden brown, we can remove them and transfer to a plate and de-strain the oil. Repeat the same process for other batches of the idli. In a pan, take about 2 tablespoons of oil and add finely chopped onions, some capsicums, add some salt, chili powder, some coriander powder, garam masala. The spices can be added based on your taste, so there is no fixed quantity. So give it a mix. The sauce, and about 2 spoons of soy sauce. I'm using dark soy sauce. Finally, add some corn flour slurry and give it a mix. So it will thicken the gravy. Now add the idli and give it a good mix. The Idli Manchurian is ready. Now let's plate it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe the video.